afternoon. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how a modern car is made step by step.
Here in the mixing and processing facility, huge automated robotic stations prepare the car internals.
Look at the assembly accuracy readings on Sector 4.
Confirmed. Cross-reference with the stamping force metrics.
Every vehicle is engineered for durability and performance.
And that's how a modern car is made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.